told that that people were egging us through the back of the trailer. And I guess they had came back 2 times to egg us, and we didn't know since we were really busy. They hit one of the customers. Once she hit my mom, I was like, dude, no one's even messing with you. Nobody was doing anything to you. Like, you came here, you started everything. Sad that things like that happened over nothing, because if we would have had a problem with her, then maybe it's understandable.